Mga pala boys, so we're here at the 4-Point Sheraton Hotel. As you can see, so this hotel is here at the what is it? This is part of the Dira Park. This is where the old city of Riyadh. And also this hotel is near to the National Museum, to the Muraba Palace, the majestic Al Masmak Fortress, and the water tower. Yes, the water tower. And they said that this building is the first tallest building before the Faisaliyah Tower and Kingdom Tower built. I will go there at the top to see the view of the Dira, or the old Riyadh city, and also the new Riyadh city. So let's go. So this guys is the area of Bata, a marketplace where Filipinos, or mostly Filipinos, market there. And this is the Dira Park, where you can see I think that's the Muraba Palace, and mostly there on the other side, Magical Fortress, the Al Masmak Fortress. You can see the Al Masmak Fortress over there. If you want to know about the Al Masmak Fortress, just visit my channel. You can see the video there. This part, I don't know what is this part.